Good morning. I'm so sorry that I missed you guys yesterday. I had set up my video, went to go save it, and then my whole computer crashed, and I don't know where the video went. So, long story short, I didn't have it for yesterday. So, moving forward, happy Friday. You made it through week 2 of distance learning. Super proud of you. Super exciting stuff coming up next week. We're doing a Shark Week, so I can't wait till next week. Actually, I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get started and get this out of the way with this morning. All right, my favorite nonsense rhyming words, okay? So think about your category today is animals in a zoo. All right, so a zebra doesn't have stripes, but a zebra has stripes. Good. You don't see a lion go roar. You hear a lion go roar. That's right. There's no such thing as a driger, but how about a tiger? Excellent. It's not called a panda bear, but it's called a panda bear. Good. We don't see a bramble with 2 humps, but how about a camel with 2 humps? There's no such thing as a crocodile, but there certainly is such thing as a crocodile. Nicely done. All right, I'm going to say the word. If you could please repeat it and then tell me the blend you hear at the beginning. I'll keep our blends up here for you to reference. All right, my word is grumpy. Beginning blend, grr. Excellent. Trust. Excellent. Beginning blend, tur. Drop. Okay, beginning blend, dur. Crumbs. Beginning blend, cur. Bridge. Beginning blend, burr. Nicely done, boys and girls. And last one, my word is press. Good. Beginning blend, purr. Nicely done. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say it fast. Here we go. 3 phonemes in our first word. P-er-a. Pray. K, truck. B-er-a, brave. K-er-e, cream. D-er-a-p, drop. G-er-a-m, grump. Yeah, good job. And if we can make it grumpy by adding the long E sound at the end of it. All right, 3 words that I'm going to say to you. And each of these words has something in common. They all have that same ending sound. I need you to figure out what the ending sound is. Here we go. Watch my lips. They give you the answer. Pencil, pool, puzzle. Beginning blend. Ooh, nice. Arm. Broom, dim, final sound, yes. Can, corn, green, final sound, Camp, clap, cup, final sound, p. Boots, cross, circus, final sound, s. Coat, count, foot, final sound, t. Nicely done. All right, here we go. Now we're going to break it down. Word. I'm going to tell you the number of sounds that are in this word before, so that way it gives you a little hint, because all of these have blends in them, okay? This one has 4 sounds in it. The first 2 are a blend. The word is fries. Always got to make me hungry. Fur, eyes. Take apart that fur, eyes, fries. Good job. The word is grass, grass. Okay, 4 sounds in my word, beginning blend. Ass. Okay, break apart that ass, grass. Beautiful job, boys and girls. The word is 5 sounds in this word. Frost, frost. Fur, Frost. That one was definitely tough. That had a blend at the beginning and a blend at the end. Okay. And last one is praise. Praise. Per-a-z. Break apart that per. P-er-a-z. Praise. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to be word magicians, and we're going to change out the beginning blend to a different beginning blend. All right, my word is crow. Cur-o. Change that cur to a gur. Grow. Beautiful. My word is terrain. Ain. Change that tur to a burr. Brain. Yes. My word is true. Ooh. Change that tur to a cur. Crew. Yes. My word is grade. Aid. Change that gur to a terrade. Yes. My word is teride. Eyed. Change that tur to a bride. Yes. You guys are rocking it today. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to take a word and we're going to add a sound to the beginning to make a new word. Okay? All right. My word is rake. Add b to the beginning. Break. Excellent. My word is ream. Add k to the beginning. Cream. Good. My word is rip. Add d to the beginning. Drip. Yes. My word is rost. Rost. Add f to the beginning. Frost. My word is rump. Add g to the beginning. Grump. Good. My word is ray. Add p to the beginning. Pray. My word is rabble. Add t to the beginning. Travel. Nice. All right, now we're going to take that beginning sound and we're going to throw it out the window, throw it out the window, or the door. All right, my word is trust. I'm going to say it a little bit slower so you can really hear those sounds at the beginning. Trust. Take away that t. What's left? Rust. Good. My word is brush. Brush. Take away that b. What's left? Rush. My word is crash. Crash. Take away that k. What's left? Rash. My word is draw. Draw. Take away that d. What's left? Raw. My word is fries. Fries. Always making me hungry. Take away that f. What's left? Rise. Good. And last one, my word is grip. Grip. Take away that g. What's left? Rip. All right, nicely done. You guys did amazing. I'm not doing any stretching and spelling today. I'm going to keep it kind of short. You guys have been working so hard all week. Can't wait to read your journals. And like I said, super excited about Shark Week next week. So hope you guys have a great weekend. Okay? Love you and miss you. Bye.